Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best vegetables to plant in August, ensuring a bountiful harvest in the coming months. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, these tips will help you make the most of your garden space. First up, let's talk about fast-growing vegetables like arugula and radishes. These are perfect for filling gaps in your garden and can be ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Arugula, also known as rocket, is ideal for salads and can be harvested within a month. Radishes, especially the French breakfast variety, are another quick option, ready in 20-30 days. As the weather cools, consider planting cold hardy vegetables like corn salad and chicory. These plants thrive in cooler temperatures and can provide fresh greens throughout the winter. Corn salad offers a nutty flavor, while chicory adds a unique bitter taste to your dishes. For those looking to extend their growing season, green onions and kohlrabi are excellent choices. Green onions can be sown in August for a spring harvest, while kohlrabi, with its unique bulbous stems, can be harvested in late fall. Succession planting is key to a continuous harvest. Lettuce is a great candidate for this technique, allowing you to enjoy fresh leaves well into the colder months. Plant seeds in sunny spots or pots for a versatile growing experience. With these tips, your garden will be thriving with fresh produce all year round. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!